Hey guys, it's me, Risa. How you doing? More meal planning, grocery shopping has been done, and some meal prep has been done. So first of all, I made this huge pot in my cast iron of cauliflower leek and sweet potato, and I have to tell you, it is super rich and delicious. So you can check out my recipe for that. And I made homemade croutons. I had leftover Italian buns that I bought for my husband, and I said, don't throw them out. And I made these croutons, and they're fantastic, even just as a snack, and super easy to make. So you'll check that recipe out. And as a treat, you can see we already started eating these delicious Rice Krispies squares. Everybody in my household loves them, and I'm going to surprise my mother and bring her some because that's her all-time favorite, of course, on my channel. And I was just at Walmart, and I got some necessary things that are going to help me for the upcoming week. Of course, I did shop yesterday as well, and I have other things in my fridge already. But today I bought these chicken breasts, great value. I bought 2 packages, and I'm going to throw them in my salad this week. Sometimes I throw them in sauces. I use them for my pizzas because they're already cooked, okay? So it makes things really easy in your frittatas, your omelets, your eggs. Just another way, your mug egg recipes you could throw this into, all right? And your casseroles. So I really like it, and even just as a snack, because for 4 slices, 120 calories, basically zero fat, and really high in protein. Look at that, 23 grams. So even after a workout, you want a few slices of this chicken meat, and it comes in different flavors as well, okay? So I just got the plain one this time because it is lower in calories. And I plan to make a nice stir fry. So I picked up some bok choy, and I'm going to wash that really, really well, and broccoli. And I'm going to add lots of other vegetables to my stir fry. But I add broccoli again to my casseroles, to my sauces, if I'm making a chili, to my frittatas, omelets, to dip, in a dip. You can find my dips that are super easy. So they're great to have as well. You can roast them, barbecue them, okay? And of course, for protein, I'm going to be making my teriyaki fish. Almost forgot what I was going to say. My Atlantic fish. I'm going to bring some to my sister, and we're going to have our stir fry that I'm going to be making, and some squash. So I got the acorn squash, 2 of them, nice big ones. I'm going to roast them, and they're fantastic. Of course, you can use them in a soup. I make a butternut squash soup, but you can use this as well. Why not? Or add it to whatever soup you want. The other thing that I bought was some tuna, because I just made these tuna patties, guys, and they are fantastic, and I can't wait to make more tuna patties. So you'll check out that recipe. And spinach. I love adding spinach to my salad. It's so healthy for you. I add it to my frittatas, my quiche, my my eggs, my omelets, and it's just really, really, really healthy for you. Like I said, vitamin A and folate, and a good source of magnesium. See, I told you. I love Jello just as another, snack. 5 calories. I got the red and the strawberry, orange, the orange flavored. For 5 calories, you could add some Cool Whip, some whipped cream, some berries on top, and make a nice, healthy, fast dessert or snack option. Okay, so nice to have something that's just guilt-free that you can just grab. And of course, some berries. I love berries just to snack on, to throw into my salad. Great in my muffins, scones, anything. And I love almond milk. I use that a lot in my soup and in my eggs and in my muffin recipes. Okay, so very versatile. 30 calories. I love this one. It's unsweetened. And let's see, 30 calories for 1 cup, 0 sugar. Okay, so I just really like it. So it's filtered almond sea salt. Okay, so another great option here. And my green onions that I add to my tuna or egg. All right, I just love having it. Just in my burgers, I use it as well, because just for something different. I love green onions, give a lot of flavor here. Okay, so again, lots of variety to have when you're meal planning, meal prepping, grocery shopping. It's key to stay on your health journey, okay? And having variety and changing it up each week. Go through my YouTube channel, come up with a few recipes. That's what I've done. And then just go for it. And Sundays are a great day, like today, depending when you're watching this, of course, to meal prep. I suggest you to go grocery shopping the day before, because you're tired and then you don't really feel like meal prepping, but you can plan everything, of course, and get started. Okay, so even with my soup, I had roasted the cauliflower, the sweet potato, and even the garlic the night before. So it would be just super fast and easy to throw everything in. Okay, so just more ideas from Risa. Hope they were helpful. Don't forget my Facebook group, WW Tips and Recipes by Risa. I'm on Instagram, WW Risa's Tips, for more inspiration, podcasts, and strategies. Okay, don't forget to tell other people about my channel as well. Take care. Love you guys. Bye for now.